Hello guys, welcome to EU settlement program. Due to lockdown, the condition in India is very bad. You can see it from my face. But nevertheless, I decided to create a video for you to tell you that there are good opportunities abroad and you must take advantage of it. Now, how do you go abroad? The easiest route is known to everyone, that is, take up an education. You go for studies overseas, stay there, take a work permit, work there for 4 or 5 years, or as the duration permits, apply for green card or permanent residency, and then take up a citizenship. That's one of the easiest routes. But that's not possible for everyone. Another route is you can apply for a job, but jobs are not available easily for third world countries like India, means the citizens from countries like India, Bangladesh, Nepal. But there are ways and means of getting it. Another method is you can become a representative of a company in India or Vietnam, Thailand, Bangladesh, Japan, Korea, or even Afghanistan for that matter, Iran, and sell their goods in or help them sell their goods in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, all these countries. So how to find these companies? Which are the products that you need to sell? How to find the market for it? Because all of a sudden you will not get a job. All of a sudden you will not get business. It takes time. So how to do it? The third method is there are different methods. There are various methods which are known. There are some methods which are not known. So we keep on finding ways and means so that talented people can get a chance to go abroad and fulfill their dreams. We live in scarcity, whereas the first world countries or the European Union, US, Canada, they have abundance. So when a person like me from India gets a chance to see abundant of anything, I have a different way of thinking, different way of doing work, and that is the way I succeed. So let us know what is your dream, how to fulfill it. We have a full-fledged program. We have a complete team which can guide you. We have given guidance to more than 20,000, 25,000 students to go abroad. We are in this business for the last 22 years. We have immigration consultants, educational consultants with us. But everything starts with you. You need to have a clear understanding of what you want, whether you want to go through the education route, whether you want to go through a representative route, or whether you want to take up a direct job, which is again a little bit expensive, but yes, it is more rewarding. So if you have a complete idea of what you want, what you can do, or what you wish to do, then we are here to help you out. Take time to fill up the form. You will get a 2-page report. We are not doing anything out of the world. The 2-page report will open every aspect for you. If you have any query, there is an email address given in the report. You can call us back. You can even WhatsApp us, or you can even send us a mail. Once you do that, we will call you back. We will have a telephonic interview, not more than 10 minutes. Again, we will call you if the need arises, and then we will take it forward. How best we can help you to gain. You see, one example is if you decide to become a representative of a company in India, in Portugal, we feel good for it because you are a part of our network. We teach you what is export import apart from your job which you do regularly. That's apartments. Suppose you get a job in a bank as a programmer, so that's okay, but apart from that you can do something in a part time, or if you take up a job in education, or sorry, if you take up an assignment as a student, then what happens? During the off time, you get a chance to represent the company from India in Portugal, or maybe that means you are studying in something in Portugal. So that will give you an extra income, that will give you a chance to settle, and there are many opportunities that will open up. So we have many such things, and we have many such ideas. We have a network to help us out. So please fill up the form, read our report, and then the report will tell you what to do. Follow the report to the dot, and see you on board. There is a wonderful world that awaits you, where you can reach your full potential and make this world a better place. Thank you. Thank you for listening.